You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Spanish, meaning June, the month of June. How do you say it in Spanish? Junio, ju, so you have the J sound, the H sound. Ju, if you cannot pronounce it very well, you can replace it with the H sound from English, which is the closest sound that there is in English. Ju, ni, o, junio, or if you cannot pronounce it perfectly, junio. Junio is kind of acceptable, but Spanish pronunciation proper, junio. Junio. And now you know, was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.